Hello friends, welcome to my channel Otunu Khata. Today I am discussing about English T20 Blast match. So first of all, I covered Kent versus Ham match. So first I come to the all stat from the Kent last matches. So Jack Crowley and Drummond comings to the open. জ্যাক রাউলি এবং ড্রুমেন্ড ওপেন করতে আসে তো জ্যাক রাউলি এক্সিলেন্ট সোফার পার ম্যাচ I think 20 to 30 runs every match, so obviously must pick in your team. And last match I told to all, don't make Drummond captain vice captain. He will be flop today, and you see he scored only 29. So obviously Joe Delhi is excellent with her batting plus bowling. He scored 32, but he bowled 3 over. He is a leg break bowler, and he also expensive for today also, and he is must captain in our team. Then what I am saying about Ku will be expensive, but he just scored 22. But I expect more from him. But Alex Black, he is unfortunately flop, but he bowled some over. But yesterday, but last match he did not bowl any over because Joe Daly bowled his over. So I hope Alex Black not bowling today also. But he is an excellent batsman. If can't bat first, so must in your team Alex Black. Then coming to Jack Lalling so far 29, 37, 7 and 3. Grant Statler is a bowling all-rounder. She scored only 10, 11, 4, 9. But he wicketless so far. Bowled 3 over per match, but he wicketless. Ole Robinson played only one match. Then come to the Callum Haggard get 1 wicket per match. Last match he also scored 15. But so you can try him, but Callum Haggard bowling are not much effective for me. So then Tim Grenwell is excellent so far. He got right arm first bowler. He got 1 wicket. Second he got 1 wicket. First 2 match he playing, and he got 1 wicket first 2 match. Then Matt Mills very talented bowler, but first match he got 3 wicket, then he got 0 wicket, but last 2 matches he got nothing, and last match he did not play. So but one thing I have to clear, that Ham versus Kane first match happened, and that match Matt Mills got 3 wicket. So obviously he can expensive for today also. He can be a game changer. If plays, he also game changer. So we must try in your team. Then Imran Kum is an orthodox bowler. Always create problem to the right hand batsman. So Ham's all batsmen and right hand batsmen. I one thing I clear to all. Then Imran Kum last match he is game. Imran Kum last match he gave more run, but today he can expensive. But because he is an orthodox bowler, and orthodox bowler always create problem to the right hand batsman. Then come to the Fred Carson left arm pace fast bowler. Obviously he is the best bowler of the Kent, but last match he got wicketless. Very surprisingly, we also not taking him. This is the logic why I am not taking him. This is the, but I make my team easily, but D Rowlands is a X factor, and he destroy our team. But otherwise our team is one sided, and very few people own whose opponent does not have D Rowlands, they easily own. Okay, they are all I covered from Kent stat, but here I come to the most my favorable 7 from the Kent. I make my team in favor of Kent. Kane is a best Soplar, and I also told you earlier that I am on Grandling in a Kent match. So my best 7 will be Jack Crowley, Drummond, Joe Denley. In bowling section, Fred Carson, Imran Kum, Matt Mills, and also I can try if batting first then Blake, or if bowling first then Kumu. My choice will be that. So here I cover all the last matches stat from the Kent. এখানে আমি সমস্ত লাস্ট ম্যাচে কিন্তু কেন্টের একটা স্ট্যাট কভার করে দিয়েছি, তোমরা দেখে নিতে পারো। কারো কোনো অসুবিধা থাকলে অবশ্যই আমাকে টেলিগ্রামে মেসেজ করবে। Those who are not joined in my Telegram channel, link in the description, join fast. Now I coming to 2019 stat. 2019 stat I told earlier, so I not repeat it. So those who are fast in my channel, please go through this and screenshot my stat, and obviously subscribe my channel, and after subscribe press the bell icon. Now coming to the ham stat. Ham's first two match Munshi playing. Munshi scored 0 and 32 so far. Their main batsman James Vince coming to the squad, but he does not expensive so far. He just played 10 and 2, but I expect more run from today from him. Uh, Felix Orson is a all rounder. He ball off break bowler. He's a off break bowler, means off spinner bowler. So not much effective so far because all the batsmen from the Kent are right hand batsmen. So not much effective. Tom Aslov is a left hand batsman. He is so far excellent. 51, 29, 1, 43, 43. But I one thing clear to all, today is a high chance to Tom Aslov flop. Today is a high chance to Tom Aslov flop. I told to all, today is a high chance to Tom Aslov flop. Then Sam Northeast so far. Sam Northeast is an excellent batsman, but he did not do well in every match. He just scored 7, 14, 31, 17 and 0. But I expect more run from him today match. With early also 9, 20, 27. Not much effective, but he can score. He can score big today's match because he played excellent against Kent last match. That match not happened due to rain. So I expect more run from him. James McManus is a wicket keeper. Gavin in wicket keeper. He just scored 2, 12, 2, 14 and 8. Not much expensive, but if the if the opening batsman out earlier, then he will be expensive. Then James Fuller. James Fuller is a excellent so far. You must take him in your team. He is a best all-rounder from Ham. He have the potential to give you point by batting and bowling both also. So obviously you must in your team. Holland is a bowling all-rounder. He not much getting point from his bat, but he have the potential to get wicket. But he bowled his 4 over in the power play, so not much expensive so far because Jack Crowley and Drummond will be playing in the power play, so I think not much effective. So one thing I clear to all James, one thing I clear to all Fuller and Holland. Fuller is the both many people drop Fuller, but Fuller is excellent batsman. He played well, and also he's a bowler, but part-time bowler. But does not bowl every match. But Holland bowled every match, but he does not give any potential to with her bat. But he get every over. Last match he get 1 wicket. Last to last match he also get 1 wicket, and first 3 match he get wicketless. Ryan Stevenson left arm fast. He is excellent so far, but he will be expensive for today's match. Why? Because all the batsmen from the Kent match will be right hand batsmen, so left arm pacer can be create problem against her. Their main bowler is Mason Crane. Mason Crane is excellent spinner. He is a leg break bowler. In must try in your team. He get wicket in every match, 2 to 3. Also he get 3 wicket in one match. So obviously must in your team. Then come to the Wood. Wood is a main fast bowler from the Ham squad. He also bowled in death over. So must try in your team. Scott Curry, he played just first 2 match. He get first match he got wicketless, and then he got 1 wicket. Sign up Priti, what he is doing in the Ham squad, I don't know. He only get 1 wicket. He played 3 match, but he get just 1 wicket. So I don't know what doing. But so Calvin Harrison is also a leg break bowler. He just got 1 wicket in last to last match. Okay. Here I cover all the last matches scorecard from all the last matches stat from the Ham player one by one. I can give you the best 4 from the Ham. because I made my team from in the favor of Kent. So I give you the best four from the Ham will be James Vince. Today I am dropping Tom Aslam. My podium. I think Tom Aslam have a high chance to be flop today. Then Northeast Witherly and Fuller. You can try Northeast to Mason Crane also. And if you make made your team in the favor of Ham, then I give you the best seven will be Vince, Aslov, Northeast, Witherly, Fuller, Holland, Mason Crane. These are the best seven from the Ham. Okay, I covered all the stat one by one from the Ham. Now I coming to the Ham 2019 stat. I did not repeat it. I told this stat earlier, so I did not repeat it. So you can go through this and you can make your Grand League team also. So those who are fast in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and after subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon. Now coming to the Dream 11 section, we made our team. So now I coming to the wicket keeper section. First of all, our choice will be Tom Aslov, Jordan Cox, McManus. I told earlier drop Tom Aslov with a high chance to flop. You can go with Tom Aslov. I drop him. My choice will be today for today's match will be McManus. I told earlier that my team always will be risky because I like to play with risks because so my target will be my small league team will can win any league. So I thinking will be different. So here will be three choices for you: Tom Haslov, Jordan Cox, McManus. I go with McManus. Now coming to the batting section, there will be pretty default choice: Drummond, Crowley, Witherly, Vince, Northeast, Kuhu. Kuhu selection percentage is lower, so you can try him in a jail. Jack Lanning, he can also a part-time bowler. Last match he bowled 1 over, so must you can try in your Grand League team. So here we will go with Drummond, Crowley to Witherly, Vince. These are the best four from now. The defensive pick will be Northeast and Kuhu. So now I going with Vince. If any credit problem, then I go with Northeast or Kuhu. Now coming to the all-rounder, the best three all-rounder will be Fuller, Holland, Denley. Black also a good choice. You can. One thing I clear to all: if bat first, then must Blake in your team. If bowling first, then Kuhu. If bowling first, then must Kuhu in your team. Okay. Now I'm going with Fuller, Holland, and Denley. These are the best choice from. You can now. I coming to the bowling season. There will be best bowler will be Klassen, Crane, Coombe, Wood. Sign up to the not much favorite team. Greenwald also a good. Matt Milnes only 6% selection, but I one thing clear to all. Many people miss that stat. Very fast match was Kent versus Ham, but that match he got 3 wicket. But due to and I make him a vice captain. Due to rain, we miss clean sweep one-sided win. So must try in your team Matt Milnes. Okay. So I taken Fred Klassen, Imran Coombe, and Team Greenwald so far. My team will be this so far. After coming lineup, I will give my final team in Telegram channel. Now coming to the captain vice captain section. Best choice for captain will be Joe Nelly. Only 15% selection, but one thing I told earlier, he is a good batter and a part-time not you can told him a permanent bowler. He obviously bowled 3 to 4 over confirm. I confirm he bowled 3 to 4 over. So my captain will be Joe Nelly and vice captain will be either Cowley or Drummond. Whom you choose? All make Drummond or Crowley. But today I one thing clear to all. If Matt Milne playing, I take him and make him captain. Make him vice captain. I take some risks. So my captain will be the vice captain choice will be now I am going to Drummond. So my team will be so far this. After After the toss and lineup coming, I will give my final team in my Telegram channel. Those who are not joined, please join my Telegram channel. Link in the description. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. তো যারা আমার চ্যানেল নতুন এসছো তারা অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, প্রচুর শেয়ার করো, তবেই তোমাদের ভাই গ্রো আপ করবে। জলদি 1K সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দাও। তো অবভিয়াসলি ভিডিওটা ভালো থাকলে লাইক করো। দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।